This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your PS5 to the internet. To begin, navigate to the settings menu from your PS5's home screen, which is represented by a small gear icon in the top right corner. Then, select the network option from the sidebar to access your connection settings. This is where you will find all the necessary options to get your console online quickly and efficiently. For a wireless connection, select Set up Internet Connection and choose Wi-Fi. Your PS5 will scan for available networks. Pick yours from the list. Input your Wi-Fi password, also known as the security key, ensuring accuracy. Most routers operate on both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands, so select the one that offers the best signal and speed for your setup. If you prefer a more stable, wired connection, use an Ethernet cable. Simply plug one end of a CAT5E or CAT6 Ethernet cable into the Ethernet port on the back of your PS5 console. Then, connect the other end into an open LAN port on your internet router. Your PS5 should automatically detect this wired connection, providing excellent speed and reliability for gaming and downloads. Should you encounter any connection issues, first try restarting both your internet router and your PS5 console. Sometimes a simple power cycle can resolve many problems. Verify that all cables are firmly seated in their respective ports if you are using a wired connection. For Wi-Fi, ensure there are no major obstructions between your console and the router, and double-check that your password is precisely correct.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.